Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from June's Boxycharm by Ipsy. This month's theme is Make Bold Moves. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Maison Louis Marie No. 4 Perfume, Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer, Formula Z Pretty Magic Eyeshadow Palette, Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Platinum Mascara, and the Dodo Cosmetics Lip Oil. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out all of the products we received. First, we have the Maison Louis Marie No. 4 Perfume. This is a sandalwood fragrance with a spicy cinnamon nutmeg complex. It's quite luxurious. Next, we have the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer. This is a silicone-free pore minimizing primer. It's a lot more hydrating than your typical pore blurring primer and instantly blurs for an airbrushed effect. Now let's take a look at the Formula Z Pretty Magic Eyeshadow Palette. This 12-pan palette retails for $42. Let's swatch it. It features a nice mix of mattes and shimmers with a few pops of color as well. First, I'm dipping into the matte shade Calm. I'm applying this to my crease. Next, I'm picking up the shade Pride. I'm adding this to my outer V. These two shades look great together. Now I'm grabbing the shade Smile. I'm using this on the lid and stamping it to create a little faux cut crease. After that, I'm going in with the shade Truth. I'm dragging this along my lash line to add some depth. Finally, I'm using the shimmer shade Wish and applying that to the center of my lid. Next, I'm testing the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Platinum Mascara. This is a volumizing mascara that also aims to nourish lashes with a platinum lash serum cocktail. It claims to be long-wearing, flake-free, smudge-proof, and sweat-proof. Finally, I'm applying the Dodo Cosmetics Lip Oil. This is in the shade Literally. It has a very slight pink tint to it. The cooling effect is really nice. Here's the finished look using products from June's Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts on this month's box in the comments below. And as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.